Nanti on why I chose Pirates. Inform Orlando Pirates defender Nanti gets open up on how his move to Orlando Pirates came about. CBC impressed his golden arrows, and by the time when his 2021-2022 season ended, it yet became increasingly clear. Swallows respond on citizen sponsorship. The Swallows FC heritage yet responded to the PSL decision to ratify an lucrative deal that sees First National Bank become the shared sponsor of the Cape Town city. Former Chiefs defender spotted a SuperSport United. Former Keto Chiefs defender Spusiso Kumalo has resurfaced at fellow DStv Premiership side SuperSport United in the hopes of securing a permanent deal.